In this video, I'll show you how to check the properties of files and folders. Now, files and folders do have property sheets, which display information such as location and the size of the file or folder. Now, using this as an example, the folder on my desktop is named My Videos. Now, I'd like to show you the property sheets. So right-click on the folder, go to Properties, click on it. You would see the information regarding this folder. It tells you the type of the folder. You can see that it's file folder. It gives the location of the folder. It tells the size of the folder. It gives size on disk of the folder. And then it tells you that the file, which is the folder named My Videos, contains 54 files and 2 folders. Do you know about this before? If this video helped you, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Drop me a comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. And when you're done, click OK, and that is it.